All right, this is a new and improved how-to on how to make a climate graph. So first I'm going to pick a city. We picked Denver, Colorado earlier today, so I'll do that one again. Denver, Colorado. First thing you do, go scroll down and find the Wikipedia page. There it is right there. In Wikipedia, I want to go to the table of contents, and just about every city has geography and probably has a climate button for it. So I want to go to climate, and there should be a big giant chart here, but there's not. So I want to find climate data, and I want to show this. So I've got this big chart here, and I really only need the average high and the average precipitation. So I'm just going to grab this whole thing, all of this. Let go. So I've got month all the way down to average precipitation. I hit Control C or Command C to copy it. I want to go and start a new Google Sheet. And then I'm just going to paste this information in right here. Taking a second to load. Come on. Load. Paste. So there's all my information. This is way too much information, so I don't need all of this. Make this bigger so I can see. Record high, right click, delete, mean maximum, delete, I don't need it. So I do need average high, so I want average high, so I don't need any of this stuff. I don't need daily mean, average low, mean minimum, or record low. Right click and delete all those rows. So now I've got a bunch of cells with two numbers each, and I don't want the stuff in parentheses because that is Celsius, and I'm just going to do this in Fahrenheit. So I'm just going to go through and 44, I just hit tab, 46, I'm just rounding to the nearest, 61, 71, 82, 89, 87, 78, 65, 52, and then actually I don't need the year, so I'm going to right click on this, and I want to delete the year out of there. So I just want January through December. Oh, I didn't do December. So this is 43. And then I want to do the same thing. I want inches, which is the part that's not in, and I'm just going to estimate to the nearest tenth. So this is 0.4, 0.4, 0.9, 1.7, 2.1, 2.0, 1. Wait, oops, what was that? 2.2, 1.7, 1, 1.6, and 0.3. Okay, so I'm going to highlight all this, all the numbers and the months, and then my next move is insert, chart. It's going to give me a line graph, and I want a line graph for the precipitation, but I don't want a line graph for this. So I want to change chart type over here to combo chart. And that looks a little better, so I can see the temperatures. I can see it gets warm in the summer. But I want to change my line here. So I'm going to go to Customize, Series, and I want the average precipitation. I want it to be a line, that's fine, but I want the axis to be, I want to measure it on the right axis. So now we have a separate set of numbers for precipitation. It makes it a little more dramatic. And then to normalize it for everybody, I want to pick right vertical axis, and I want to set a minimum and a maximum. So the minimum 0, and the maximum, I'm going to say 10. And when we go and compare it to other cities, I'm going to have all of them be 0 through 10 and 0 through 100, and we can see which ones are really warm, really cold. So anyway, that's that. I double-clicked on the title there. Let's change this to Denver, Colorado. And then the last thing I want to do is I want to publish the chart. And I just want an image. I don't want a whole interactive thing. I'm going to publish that. Yes, okay. I'm going to copy this link here, and this is what I'm going to paste into my website. So there you go. Enjoy. Happy chart making.